Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 30, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Realme. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and go into additional settings. Then keyboard and input method and keyboard. Over here click on theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. From here select a photo by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Then click on Apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!